I thought I would just chime in on my brother's channel of nothing about nothing. I had my dishwasher break, and so I had to replace this piece, so I went online and bought a new thing. It's the arm that broke. I had already started this before I decided I would video here, but see that little plastic piece broke there? Yeah, I super glued it, lasted a couple months. Decided I better just buy a new one. So I already lost the other piece that I took off. That's sweet. But I went ahead and bought what I think I need. I'm going to open it up and find out here. Voila. Nice and shiny. Yeah. Alright. Oh, maybe the other piece wasn't actually broken. It just looks like that. Okay, so I'm just going to cut this open. Can't be that hard. I'm pretty sure I just got to screw it on here. Doesn't really come with directions. Okay. So flimsy. I am just going to look at this old one here and figure out what we gotta do. Goes like so. This must go in here. Like so. I think I need another piece. This is what I got. But I think I need a piece like this. And I don't have it. Another box, so that's because I bought this magic one. So, I'm pretty sure gotta be missing a piece. Well, that's cool. I mean, well, guess we gotta call the company. That's all we got today.